You are here because you want to capture smooth cinematic videos with your drone. Coming up.
Damn.
Bonjour my dear drone fans and welcome back to my channel. If we're meeting for the first time, enchantée, my name is Céline, I'm a TV journalist and I'm here to talk about tech with you. So if you like high-tech reviews, tutorials and sometimes vlogs, consider subscribing. Mais oui, abonne-toi, juste ici en dessous. So here is the Cinema series line of filters for the DJI Spark. So before we start this video, I just want to let you know that I didn't receive this product in exchange of my review. It's been a month now since I have received it from a good friend of mine. Olivier, merci encore. These are all ND filters. Some of you know exactly what I'm talking about, but for you who don't know what an ND filter is, here is a quick explanation. Why do we need to use a neutral density filter? These filters reduce the amount of light passing through the camera lens without changing the color of the scene. Oh, I see some of you are shocked. Why prevent light getting into the camera lens? The more light, the better. Well, no. Not all the time. See, when there is too much light, let's say you want to capture the sea and the sun setting just in front of you, there will be overexposure. And it cannot be fixed in post-production because the effects of using a ND filter are either very difficult or impossible to replicate in post-production. So these filters are very useful in bright light conditions to help prevent overexposure. And these are a must-have filters, especially if you are thinking of doing more landscape shots with your drone. Voila! Now that you know what a ND filter is, let's jump into the reviews of these ones. What are the numbers next to those filters? Well, ND filters come in a variety of strengths, including 3 stops, 6 stops, 10 stops, and even 15 stops. Each stop reduces the amount of light entering the camera by half, so exposure times can vary from a few seconds to a few minutes. Used correctly and for the right reasons, ND filters can smooth out water, give rivers and waterfalls a magical look, make clouds streak across skies, and even make moving objects like people disappear. Now the question is, which ND strength should I use? Depending on how bright it is outside, you will need different level of ND filters. To help you find the right one, there's an app for that. PolarPro have developed an app to help you calculate which filter to use with your DJI Spark. I'll put the link in the description down below. In summary, each lighting condition will require a different level of ND. This is why they offer so many different ND filters for the DJI Spark, so we can get a great footage in any lighting condition. Now, is it useful? Yes, oui, c'est utile. How many times did I forget to bring my filters with me in my backpack? Many times. So what I did last time, in order not to forget, I just left one filter on my drone, but it might not be the right one for the day. Oui, je sais. Now it's your turn to talk. Do you have ND filters for your camera or your drone, or do you intend buying one? Let's have a chat in the comment section down on below. I had a great time chatting with you today. Smash the thumbs up button just down below if you enjoyed it too, and if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. I wish you a great week, take care, and I will see you next Monday. Salut!